Well, simple. We have a bone to pick. More on that later, but for now, my name is Akshay Gupta, and I'm applying for the 2026-2027 Launchpad Intern Program. As an early investor, I constantly find myself asking, why did this stock go up? Why did this stock go down? And what can I do about it? How can I make money off of that? That's why I created Stocksy. Stocksy tells you the real world events behind why stocks move up and why stocks move down. It also helps you predict where stocks are going to move in the future. Let's get into it. I was actually able to directly incorporate Stocksy within the Wealthsimple website. Now that we're on the Wealthsimple website homepage, I'm going to click on a stock. I'll choose Apple, although any works. So after I click on Apple, it's going to load up the real 1 month stock prices for Apple. And nothing really seems too interesting at first. We just label a point in max and a point in min. However, let's hover over this point in max and let's see why. Well, from our AI generated insight, it fetches real world articles specifically relating to this date and Apple stock prices. As we can see here, due to strong earnings from fiscal quarter one, Apple stock climbed. However, let's go around March 14th, which is today's date, and let's see why Apple is at an all-time low. After reports that Apple has been unable to integrate Siri and AI into Siri, investors pulled out. Now we can exactly see why Apple stock goes up, why Apple stock goes down. But where's Apple stock going to go next? Well, we have that built in also. If we scroll down, we can do a fetch predictions. This uses AI insights based on deep neural networks trained using reinforcement learning, using TensorFlow. I know that's a little bit technical, but in a few seconds, we're going to have predictions of what Apple stock prices are going to be in the future. I'll show you guys that now. As you can see, we highlight some prices of a significant rise coming and a significant fall coming. However, what's really interesting here is this orange part. These are machine learning predictions, as I just talked about, that use TensorFlow and past market data to predict where Apple stock is going to trend in the future. As we can see here, Apple stock is predicted to slightly lower. For more technical people, we can look at some machine learning model charts. We can get into that a little bit more in depth later on. Well, now we can see that Apple stock is probably going to go lower. So what I'll do is I'll click sell, and I'm going to sell all my shares at around $249, and I'll do 100 of them. Check out the demo here. Bank better, bank Stocksy. Thank you so much.